Hi, good afternoon to you. A good day, everyone. The first question that I got is, what is your blog? My blog is astigmachismis.com. A brief intro about this. Well, ang blog ko po ay originally a parenting blog na turned out to be a personal blog na naging diary in a way, so a mix. So it ended up to be something that I want to be called astig, or about super things in general. Machismis, kinanig ko kasi vlogging is about telling story. Next, who is the person behind the blog? My name is Richard Mamuyak. I'm a father of a 7-year-old kid and works as a communication specialist for a NGO. I also do a column in the Philippine Daily Inquirer and do events organizing and PR works on the side. When did you start blogging and why did you blog? Ito medyo may drama, so I don't know if I'll bore you, but in 2007, my wife got pregnant and I wanted to chronicle um, his pregnancy, or my journey to be a daddy. But eventually, it ended up in a sour note kasi we lost the baby after a day that she was born. So medyo sappy. I hope I did not bore you or medyo sad. But yun nga, the first few months, ang laman ng vlog is about how my journey as a parent, mga excitement namin na asawa ko, yung mga ang gusto namin gawin when she comes out. But nangyari nga, tigil siya for a few months. Then after a few months, I revisited my blog. So, ang first post ko is about food invite, a food event invite. So, medyo nalayo. So, it turned out, yung aking balak na diary na vlog, naging, in a way, lifestyle vlog na rin. But sometimes, nilalagyan ko rin to ng palaman ng about daddy things, and but ibang bagay na with interest, daddy like me. How do you vlog? Actually, yung pagbablog is, paano ba? Ang pagbablog kasi is something that I do as a hobby kasi nga I have a full-time job. Vlogging, ang ideas come while traveling, papasok sa work, pauwi ng bahay. So pag may naisip akong idea or may nakita akong isang bagay like may bagong bukas na tindahan o shops or may bagong product na kita sa TV or newspaper, I'll research on it. If it interests me, I'll write something on it na in a way na what I think about it, and I encourage readers na share also their ideas or thoughts about the product. Any signature style? Yun nga, gusto kasi yung mga sinusulat ko hindi boring basahin. Yung tipong pag nagbasa ka is parang dumaan ka lang, pero at least may napulot ka. So, siguro mga sulat ko, I try to put humor in it. Even sometimes corny, pero yun nga parang I don't want to bore people when they read my blog. So yun, humor, konting pa cute, may konting mga kung ano nung gimmick, basta bisitahin niyo ng vlog para you understand what I'm talking about. Tapos, most memorable vlogging experience. Ito talaga nangyari to. And it happened dun sa first vlog invite, which is a food event that I mentioned a while ago. It was held in Chendisitas. Yung event na yon, sa Chendisitas, there's the SM Hypermarket Pasig Center. So, nagkaroon sila ng parang food event there. Nag-invite sila ng mga vloggers. So, when I arrived sa event, hindi ko baka bisado yun kasi bagong tayo lang. Although, taga Pasig ako, it was my first time to be there. So, nagpunta ako sa counter, sabi ko dun sa customer service, ma'am, saan po ba dito yung yung sa vlogger? Tapos sabi nung ano, nagtingala muna siya sa taas. Sabi niya, vlogger dun, pasok ka dun sa may kanto, sa may dulo. Tapos nagpunta ako dun, sabi ko dun sa may office, saan po dito yung vlogger? Nakita ko HR department pala. Tapos sabi niya nung babae, ma'am, sir, hindi pa po ngayon apply ng vlogger. So, during those time, 2007, I don't know if vlogging or a blogger is already in the dictionary. So, marami din nakakalam. So, yan, kuwela-kuwela. So, labas ako. Yun, napagkamalang bagger. Well, until now naman, minsan napagkakamalang pa rin. So, lumabas na lang ako dun sa area and I saw na lang, yun nga, engot ko kasi andun lang pala yung ano yung food court sa isang paglabas mo dun sa isang entrance, makikita mo na yung food court away, just a few walks away from the grocery. Then, nakita ko na yung food event. So, I don't know if it's memorable, but first event ko kasi kaya memorable. Tapos, idol vloggers. Dami akong idol vloggers, pero siguro I'll mention na lang the vloggers who siguro I started during those times in 2007. Si Rowena Wendy Lay. Actually, we had times na pagka talaga magtatalungan kami, nagchat-chat pa kami sa Yahoo Messenger niyan. Like for example, tips for an event, mga contest, kasi contest junkie kami pareha dati niyan. So may mga times na pareho kaming winner sa isang contest. Tapos may mga time naman na nanalo na siya, ayaw niya nang sumali, ako papasali niya, and vice versa, ganun din. So, yun, but Rowena has gone a long, long way now, and I really salute her sa accomplishment niyang ganyan. So, ngayon ako, andito pa rin. Well, may narating din. Karating naman ako dito sa Wakwak. Office ko sa Wakwak. Tapos, yun, yung mga mababait na vloggers ngayon, napakarami. So, I won't mention name, pero yun, thank you sa mga tulong at sa mga stories na nakakatulong sa akin to improve my writing skills and styles. You know who you are. PPM ko na lang kung sino kayo. Tips to who would be or other members of the blogging community. Yun, ano ba? I have 4 things lang na in mind when I blog. Una, you should give the best, what you call this, the best story that you could give. The best. You should give the latest information. So, dapat timely and relevant. Tapos, I should be original. Ayun. Kasi in this world na talagang daming vloggers, you should stand out, and one way of doing that is you have original content. And it should be genuine. I mean, real. Your fact should be the truth. Ayun. Yun lang. If you have that in your blog, definitely you'll drive readers and you'll gain names. Yabang parang ako may narating na. But yun yung aking baka sa iba it would work. For now, I'm still in the journey or learning process. And then the plug. Ayun, the plug. Visit my blog. It's astigmachisme.com. And then you could also follow me sa Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Lahat yun, /astig316. Yun, thank you.